Jesus Christ. Okay, guys. Jesus. Mommy. Ah. Alright, guys. This one is called the Ring of Fire. Alright. Look like I hit this, you know. Never be me. Never. Done. Show me the other rides that we have going on. This one. Okay, it's go time. Jesus Christ. But I know for the gas because you know it's sunlight, I show everything. A lot going on. Woo! What's this? It's high. And they're lowering it. Pretty cool. They have this one here. Not too bad. Jesus Christ! Reverse. God Almighty. Jaja. Whoa! Jesus Christ. Oh hell no. Almighty God. Then me could I really go on this? Could never be me. Could never be me. Dogs on a stick. Cheese. The popcorn. All of that good stuff. Yum yum. I have sweet tea. I like the colors on this. Hot boiled peanuts. I don't know what that. And funnel cake. Alright guys, we're going in. Let's go! Ah, these are nice. Look, they're sold, of course, because the color is everything. They have like a marble look. Love that. Ah, soaps. And a skin on soaps, you know. Yeah. Oh, is that the Godfather? So nice. Imagine. This nice one. You can imagine if you have things and you get a spot in yourself to display your product or your work. Oh man, it's a big deal. It's a big deal. Belts, leather belts, purse, wallets. Maybe purse and wallet. Oh, those are nice. Oh, this is grandma in different languages. I love it. Love, love, love. Oh my god, this is nice. Beautiful. A family tree. Very nice. So guys, this my like. Ah, beautiful. Love it. Drums, bass. Look at this. This is it. They're playing violin cars. Very nice. Very nice. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that door. I like that. Ooh. It's crazy. I get lemonade, as you can see. Freshly squeezed and just want to make it. Yeah. Got my lemonade. Yep. Yep. Roshi bar. Nice. More lemonade. Comfy. Girl want catchy. Not the Gucci.
Gabaduchi.
I am dead. They
Gabaduchi.
are so nice. Now this is how you get creative. That is so nice. I love it. The cutest thing I've ever seen. Look at that. Shoes. Clothes and earring. I love it. So nice. So nice. I love that. So creative. I love that. Let me see.
It's a magnet. You can buy it. It's a magnet. Where are the shoes?
It's a magnet. No. See them have the turkey there. That look good. Look at it. Look good. And then have turkey on the grill. Yes. I say I did ever eat like festival food, but I think this is festival food. You know, this is nice. Look there. Yes. Okay. All right, I'm ready now. Jesus Christ, murder. Whoa. Very nice.
We got another one, y'all. This is how she had to do the wing. I'll show you exactly how it's on her. I hold it like this. Water. So it's on water.
Grabbing water now, we're trying to get in.
Well,
We're
that's
going
at
to
the
go.
tip. And you only gonna look at halfway to that wing.
We can't want no more.
Hold it up. And hold it up.
So need to put
It's fixing you right here. I'm right there with the bottle. So move your body over to the left.
the ring over the bottle and try to make it stand up.
Okay. Anywhere you want. Which one you want? Alrighty. I'm gonna get right here, big dog.
Ah, very nice. Going fishing, guys. Love that. A fish bowl. Yeah, we not fish. Can you imagine? And if my mother said this to rotted, should I dare so for the whole day? I throw a ball to catch fish. Woman love a fish, yeah? Should I just call her right now and show her? Caramel, apple with nuts, apple.
There's one.
Thank you.
And two. Salt, pepper, that stuff's on the end. Thank you.
The corn for me. Guys, that they didn't understand. Sheesh.
Everybody was eating.
Oh, island noodles. It's interesting. With teriyaki chicken. It's a chicken. I think it's a chicken. Love it. Gotta try that, guys.
Strawberry shortcake. Yeah, that's what they call it. Yeah, they call it shortcake. Right.
Yeah, definitely.
I think I'm getting more with cream. Aha, thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you. So I don't know if there's gonna be a show or whatever, but I like it. This is nice. Ooh. Strawberry shortcake. Okay, let's try, guys. Ooh. See? Yeah, this is what is happening. Yeah. Got it. Basket and go in. Guys, when I last time when I say fun dip, it's been a while. No. We're in Candyland. Yep. So you know. Nerds. We love nerds, you know. Jesus Christ. We get a pink and a purple. We need a basket. You know say I say I never take up a basket because I never want so much. I know so you remember the money. Remember that. Remember the money? And these two. Remember those? Yes. That the one that will blow up your mouth. I forget this from the day off. Murder. Black cherry. Maybe I look for the little one. Remember the little one then? Alright, remember me a diabetes. I want them. I really fancy it now, but I really fancy the Jojo them. I want to see the great gummy bears. See there? That is it. I eat me that way pan. The great gummy bear she. Okay guys, we're going on the biggest wheel. Woo. I know. Wow, it's already moving? Jesus. Where is it? At the top now. Okay, yeah, now we are. Almighty Christ. I don't know what I was thinking to get on this. I really don't know. But I know I come back with that. I come back with more people. Oh, Jesus. In my my mind, yeah, so you know what I'm slow and barely like damn fat.
Yeah, at the top is look at how
How much do I have to set up on them something? Actual. Thank God. Yeah, go down. Never afraid. So, you want me to hang on, people. If I go back up